Today we are making a almond crusted chicken. So for this we'll go ahead and start with whole almonds. In this case we use roasted and salted almonds. You can use plain if you'd like to cut down on the salt. You can also use almond flour if you do not have whole almonds on hand. But we added enough almonds to get a cup of crushed almonds. So I added slightly over a cup of whole almonds to our food processor or blender you can use. You can see here we're left with crushed almonds of about 1 cup. For the rest of the breading, you'll need 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper, and your 1 cup of almonds. We'll go ahead and get started by adding in our garlic salt here. Again, that is 2 teaspoons of garlic salt. You can also use garlic powder if you'd prefer to cut back on salt. We then use our lemon pepper seasoning. If you'd like, you can exchange lemon zest and some pepper for this, but we added 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper to this. Don't mind the camera shake there. I'm just hitting it as I'm trying to get the lemon pepper out. Ours got a little damp, so it was harder to get out of the container. Why there's extra scoops in there, but it should be about 3 teaspoons. And then we'll go ahead, after we clean up a little bit, and add in our 1 cup of crushed almonds. Then we're going to go ahead and make sure that we mix this nice and well and get everything out of the blender. You can see it kind of gets stuck in there, the oil from the almonds as we're blending those up. We're going to mix that up real nice, and then once we do that, we're going to go ahead and make our egg mixture, which we'll dip the chicken into first before putting it into our breading mixture. Okay, so now we are on to the dipping mixture. We need 1 large egg that we'll go ahead and put in a separate bowl. We'll also add 1/4 cup of water to that. Also, we will take 1 teaspoon of our lemon juice and go ahead and put that in there and mix this up well so that we get that lemon flavor real strong in there before breading our chicken. Alright, so we're going to want our egg mixture next to our breading mixture, and we're going to take either your chicken breast or chicken thighs, which is what we're using here, and dip that in your egg mixture, get it nice and wet, and then transfer that over towards your almond mixture and make sure you cover that fully. You want a nice crust on there. And once you do that, then you'll want to put that in either an air bake pan or a greased baking dish. So we'll go ahead and do this, and this should be enough to do just enough to do 6 large chicken breasts or 6 chicken thighs, which is what we've done here. So you'll just want to keep repeating this process, dipping into the egg mixture, and then transferring over into your almond mixture and making sure you bread that thoroughly. And the kind of nice part about this is it'll give you that crust like you would get with normal breaded chicken, but without as many carbs, and you get a little bit extra protein and healthy fats from those almonds. So it's kind of a good alternative to your typical baked chicken. Also, great flavor with the lemon, pepper, and almonds. So it kind of brings new flavor to your chicken dishes instead of just having plain old chicken every time. Overall, healthier than fried chicken also, and super easy to make. So we'll just keep repeating this process until we get all of them done. Alright, once you have all of your chicken in your baking dish, we'll go ahead and put them in the oven. You can also use a roasting pan if you'd like to have a crisper bottom, but we'll have the oven preheated to 450. And once we do that, we'll bake them for approximately 15 minutes up to about 25. You'll want to make sure you leave them in until they're golden brown on top and a meat thermometer comes out at 180 degrees through the thickest part of the chicken to ensure that they're cooked. Once you pull them out, enjoy this almond crusted chicken. Goes great with rice and maybe some stir-fried vegetables, but can be eaten with a variety of things. Hope you enjoyed our quick recipe video today. If you liked this, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and join us again later for more recipes.